The Autonomous Region for Muslim Mindanao Secondary Boys Football Team prepares for their match against Northern Mindanao. Despite being neophytes in the palarong pambansa, the team from Sultan Kudarat National High School has one goal: to bring home the gold for their region. Football has been helpful for the youth of ARMM, considered to be one of the poorest conflict-stricken regions in the Philippines. The sport teaches the youth to dream. Tamano Umpa is the midfielder of the ARMM team. The graduating high school student sees football as a way out of poverty.
Nung nagsali ako nung second year, magsali ako ng football. Sinabi niya sa akin, kaya ko ba? Oo, sabi ko, kaya ko naman. Tapos yun na, binilan talaga ako ng spike shoes. Basta naibenta nila yung kambing namin na dalawa para makabili na lang ako ng sapatos. Pati mga damit. Gusto ko din ipagpatuloy ang aking pagiging football player. At saka, fokusin ako sa aking pag-aaral kasi bala ko sana maging sa computer engineering o di kaya civil engineering para matulungan ko talaga mga pamilya.
The ARMM team has participated in the Football for Peace campaign of the Philippine Marines. Because of this, the sport also keeps the youth away from bad vices and influences. Coach Saudi Upham has been handling the football team of Sultan Kudarat in the past years. He says the sport keeps the youth focused on their goals in life.
Yung mga kabataan po, hindi sila yan sumasali sa gulo. At saka, yung mga kabataan ngayon, kaya itong football practice, yung sabi ko kanina, nakakatulong. Dahil yung mga bata, doon sila na pupokus ngayon sa mga ganitong football.
But the team needs help. They lack the resources and equipment to master the sport.
Actually, itong football na ito, hindi po sapat ang isang buwan na para magkaroon ng training. Then, yung training namin po, kulang talaga yung training namin. Lalo na sa equipment ng football, talagang kulang po. Pangarap ko sa team ko, balang araw, itong mga bata, gusto ko rin sila makaangat sa football, then gusto ko rin sila na maging isang sikat na player po.
For these young men of ARMM, football is more than a sport and a hobby. It's a way to achieve their dreams, to build a better, more peaceful region. David Lozada, Rappler, Tagum City.